And welcome to Lolita's Kitchen. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by, and if you're a regular, thank you for returning. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite dishes, and it's called Calabaza con Mojo, which is pumpkin with an olive sauce. I have two calabaza pieces here. I have about 4 garlic cloves. I also have 1 lime and olive oil. So I'm going to cut the calabaza into big chunks, and I will be right back. The next step is to steam these. So you can either bake them or steam them, and I prefer to steam them. So I'm going to show you how to quickly steam them in your pot. So what I did was added some water to the bottom of this pot, and I added a little rack. And you just put the calabaza on top of it, put the top on it, and you just steam it for about 25 to 30 minutes until it's soft enough for you. So now I'm going to make the mojo sauce. I have a garlic press right here, so I'm going to press about 5 pieces of garlic through my garlic press. And if you don't have a garlic press, you can just chop the garlic as small as you can into little pieces. So I'm going to use about a 1/4 cup of olive oil so that I can start making the mojo. Now I'm going to saute the garlic for about 1 minute, and no longer than that because I don't want the garlic to brown. And next I'm going to remove it, and then I'm going to saute the onions. So now I'm going to check on my calabaza, and it's very tender, so I'm going to remove it now. So now, time to add the mojo. Now, all you have to do is drizzle a little bit over top of the calabaza and then add some onions, and your calabaza is ready to be eaten. And I can't forget the lime, so I'm going to drizzle some lime over top of it. Well, guys, it's time for me to go.